the Sri Gurung Choragraganya Purush Ashtakam. Purusha means man or person. So the Supreme Personality and the King of all thieves, Krishna, is being glorified by Bilvamangala Thakur, who wrote Krishna Karnamrita. And many people sing this very nicely and beautiful, but Praje Prasiddham Navanita Choram Gopan Gananam Chadukula Choram Aneka Janmarjita Papa Choram Chorangraganyam Purusham Namami. Translation: Namami. I offer my obeisances to the chief of all thieves, who is famous in Braj, Braje Prasiddham, for stealing butter. He robbed the gopis of their clothes. Dukula Choram. You know Dukula? Dopata? Dukula and Dopata. Dukula Choram. Navanita Choram. Dukula Choram. Papa Choram. So at one level it's the lokic level of the lila of Krishna's devotees, and another level it's lokic. So he's switching from the spiritual realm to the material realm, from the siddha realm to the sadhaka realm. For the siddhas, Krishna's eternal perfect associates, he's stealing their hearts and their clothes and their butter. And for the sadhakas who are aspiring to become sadhana siddha, Krishna's stealing our sins. Aneka janmarjita papa choram. And he's famous because he steals the sins that his devotees have accumulated over many lifetimes. Aneka janma arjita. Aneka janma means many, many lifetimes. Shiradikaya hridayasya choram navam buddha shamala kanti choram padashritanam chasamasta choram choragraganyam purusham namami. I offer my obeisances to the king of all thieves who steals Sri Radhika's heart. Hridai choram, shamalakanti choram, samasta choram. And he steals the hue, the beautiful bluish gray hue of the fresh rain cloud. Navabuddha shamalakanti choram. So apparently this Ashtakam, 8 prayers of Bilvamangala Thakur, is something for the Nityasiddhas and something for the sadhakas. Krishna's working on both levels. So you might as well get used to Krishna stealing. As a sadhaka, he's stealing. And when we become siddha and go to him directly, he will also steal. So we fall in love with a thief. So he takes all the sins and sufferings of those who take his shelter. Parashritanam, para ashraya, those who surrender to Krishna's feet, samasta choram, he steals everything. Akinchani kritya padashritam ya karoti bhiksham pati gehahinam kenapyaho bhishana chora idrig drishta shrutova najagatchayapi. This is another, now he switches to this and says he says, he makes everybody poor that surrenders to his lotus feet. Alas, no one in this universe has ever seen or heard about such a perilous thief. Even the utterance of Krishna's name steals myriad mountains of sins, making them disappear completely. I've never heard of such a thief anywhere before. O thief, dhanam chamanam chatatendriyani pranamscha hitva mama sarvam eva palayase kutra trito dyachora chambakti damnasi maya nirudha. Oh, you thief, Sri Krishna, where do you think you can run after stealing my wealth, dignity, senses, life, and all that I possess? Today I will catch you and tie you down with the ropes of my devotion. tvam bhakti damno. Then he says, you can remove the dreadful shackles of Yamaraj. You can obliterate the perilous bondage of this world and cut off everyone's bondage. But you can never sever the bondage of love that's been made by your devotees. Oh Hari, hey thief, manmanase tamasa rashigore. Today I have tied you up in the dark dungeon of my heart, tamasa rasigore, where you shall now have to endure punishment for all the thefts you have committed for such a long time. First you stole me away from my career as a doctor, then you stole me away from my wife, then you stole me away from my country, then all I had left was my name and fame, then you stole all my name and fame and left me with nothing, not even a chance to play the game. So now I'm going to tie you in my heart and punish you big time. Oh Krishna, you stole all my possessions. But however, being tied by the strong shackles of my love, you will forever remain locked up in the dungeon of my heart, because I will never let you get out of my heart, even after billions and billions of eons. That means lots of time. So here, Bilvamangala Thakur is revealing his heart and revealing the position of all true devotees, how Krishna comes and steals everything, man, tan, pran. Krishna's taken it all. Krishna's taken